welcome to Step Up Vinyl. Today I wanted to give you just a quick overview of all of the nosing profiles that we make here at Step Up. So what we do is we take any vinyl plank flooring that is flat, you might already have it installed in your home above or below your stairs, and we make you the nosing that you need to be able to put that same vinyl on your stairs for a perfect match and a beautiful finish. Our most common and sought after profile is this square nosing right here. It is made to be just slightly larger than 1.5 inches so that it can cover a 2x10, which most staircases are made out of, that will have walls or stringers on both sides. So this is for a closed stair. We've obviously left this open for you to be able to see them, but normally you would have the walls on both sides to have that finished. If you don't have a standard 2x10 as your side, we do offer this square profile in multiple different sizes. So you can see here all the way down to a 1 inch, a little bit in between, all the way up to a 2 inch here. If maybe you have tile on your stairs, something on top of your stairs, that means that you need that bigger profile there. Okay, and so those are the multiple different ones there. Okay, what's really great about our nosings is that once they are created out of the flat vinyl planks that you have, and the click is still intact. So you can really easily just click another board onto it to make that full tread that's going to cover your full stair. Okay, and just have that absolute beautiful finish. It also allows you to use the nosings to connect right onto your floors at the top of your stairs or onto a landing with no lips or bumps or anything like that. If the square profile is not something you are looking for, we also do create a round profile. Okay, this also goes over a 2x10 there, as well as other shapes inside. And once again, would be for stairs that have walls on both sides, which we consider to be closed stairs. If you have a staircase that doesn't have a nosing on it already, like this bottom one here, okay, often concrete steps look like this, or sometimes the tops going onto stairs, we do create this L shape, okay? So here's a larger version of it here, and where the bend is can be adjusted depending on the specs of your stairs. And the wonderful thing about it is that if you have different profiles, if you have different stairs in your home, we can create all of these different nose shapes as is needed from the same vinyl. So you're gonna have that beautiful seamless finish, and it's really gonna tie it all together. Finally, if you do have stairs that are open on one side, they do not have walls on both sides, we do have a solution for you as well. This is our open stair profile, and as you can see, the vinyl goes all the way around. So it was on the front, it's on the side, it's all the way around to the back here. And we also have the ability to make the risers so that the edge is closed there. All made out of flat vinyl plank flooring. All right, so it really does give you that beautiful finish that goes all the way around. So no matter what your needs are when it comes to vinyl on the stairs, we are the place to get it. Please check us out online, www.stepupvinyl.ca, and check out our other content on our social media channels like YouTube. We do have lots of tutorial videos. We're happy to help you know how to install it yourself, create aspects of it yourself, and just all the tips and tricks you could need when working with vinyl, when choosing your vinyl, when shopping for vinyl. We've got you covered. So please hit that subscribe button, that like button, check out the rest of our content, and we'll see you in the next video.